DOVVVSU and I one more sir by saying Catwana Yadema Womono, Yen Pejam na intimemwa, na DOVVVSU no dienka, Yenyan Kro Ahudo, a woman sinibe BA moon, the Cobase, Yatiti will be a yo be a Yakayaka dear, one wire hurry, Akohako Bowa money, Adom Kasee, etwaso.
Abra Fida ekodi womo 40th anniversary odwumedie na seno ana womo etonsa efre director awono ene DOVVVSU ano ACP owusua chreme odwumedie na seno wode tudwa se womo ewo ye one stop centers na we eye bebia enuanom asebe omanfo aye womo ayakayaka de safoi womo etime ede womo ekọ a womo enya bebi eda clinic ewo ho ana womo san wo eye court enkra happen ewo na ohwe enim se nka womo ebetime enye bi ewo regions awodo na yade ebeboa dwumedi a womo edi no.
Fortunately, the police administration has been supportive. So even though we don't have a budget for that, when we do have such expenses, either we write directly to within the system and then they will refund it. The challenge is that you have to spend it before it's refunded. And so these are some of the issues. So we don't have funding, and going forward, it's our hope that the states will provide funding specifically for the issues of DOVVVSU.
Owie yen wodi tudwa se wo hwe eye ayakayaka de a wo manfo ede ye enipa bi mu a DOVVVSU anamo a wo mo etuo ede eboa tafoi ensese ye won nkuto esese ganafo eye ommoa.
The fight against gender-based violence, no, police for ntimi obia asede wa oni obi tifi aye bo no wasede say at least obetimi aka ho asem companies, NGOs, individuals obia asede say esi cambo, because any hospitals, medical staff nya enye obakofo adwuma yenya na be cambo na DOVVVSU ye famudie no ye ne say ye ne other stakeholders collaborating, because we say they na ye ni sika eduma no so no yenko yemso ni nya sika na ye di som.